All right, math legends, let's see if you can solve this math problem first before I do it. You know the drill. If you want to explain to the community how you got the answer, or you want to let me know how you got the answer, or you got the answer like in 5, 10, 20 seconds, let me know in the comment section down below. And also please subscribe to support and get more challenges like this one. We have 100, and then we have an exponent 2 minus 100, and then we have this division bar 100. So it's divided by 100, and then you have plus 1. I'm thinking of PEMDAS when I'm solving this problem. The first thing will be to solve the exponent. So according to PEMDAS, you are working with exponents first. There's no parentheses. So the next one is exponent. So 100 times 100, that's what that 2 is telling us. To multiply 100 times 100, that is 10,000. So I'll write 10,000, 10,000, and that is a comma, not a decimal. So 10,000 minus 100. So I'll write the minus sign, 100. And then I'll draw the division bar or the line, and then bring down the 100. So now we have 10,000 minus 100, which equals, so you subtract, right? 10,000 minus 100, that's 9,000, and I'll write it here. 9,900, just like that. And then we bring down the 100. And now we have 9,900 divided by 100. Now, here's the trick. When you are dividing by 10, 100, which that's what we're dividing by, 100, or 1,000, you move the decimal point of the dividend or the numerator to the left. There's a decimal there. It's invisible, but it's after the number. You move it to the left by the numbers or the number of zeros. So for 10, so if we had 10, you move the decimal to the left, or you move the decimal one place to the left. So it becomes, so if it's 9,900 divided by 10, it will be, the answer will be 990. If it was 100, you move the decimal to the left 2 places. So it'd be 1 and 2. So the answer will be 99 plus 1, which equals 100. And if we have 1,000, you just move the decimal point to the left 3 spaces. So 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, so it'll be 9.9 as your answer. But because we're dividing by 100, we got 99 plus 1 equals 100. So your answer is 100. And there you go.